this is Anthony with the Performers Among Us, and today we're going to be breaking down some flag skills. So the first thing we're going to break down are drop spins. Drop spins are their fundamental spin for color guard. They're going to help you develop strength and stamina and a basic understanding of how to move your equipment. After that, we're going to break down carves. Carves are going to really help you understand how your flag moves through space as you are spinning. And then the last skill we'll learn today is a pull hit. A pull hit is the first step to doing those awesome tosses you see in drum corps shows. Alright, so that's the plan for today, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and get started with left-sided drop spin. We're going to start with the left side just because it tends to be our weaker side. So we start in left flat, making sure we're boxed out, lifted up, and with our left hand at the left tab, and then our right hand on the bottom crutch tip. And we're going to count off 5, 6, 7, and on count 7 we're going to squeeze, and then on count 8 lift it up to left shoulder. From here, our right hand will let go, and then our left hand will push straight down, twisting the flag back into our right hand with both of our thumbs pressing down towards the silk and towards the ground. And this is count 1. From here, your left hand will let go, allowing your right hand to rotate the flag and the pole so the silk is upward to count 2. And then at count 2, your left hand will re-grab underneath your right hand. And that's it. You repeat that pattern over and over again, and those are your left-handed drop spin. And then for right-handed drop spins, it's the exact same thing, just on the right. You start in a right flat, you go to a right shoulder, and then it's your left hand that lets go first, with your right hand going straight down into your left hand. Alright, for right carves, we will go ahead and begin in a right slam. In a right slam, our flag silk is down, our right hand's at the tab, and our left hand's at the bottom crutch tip. From right slam, we will count off 5, 6, once again squeezing on count 7, and moving on count 8 to count 8 and, where we will have the flag parallel with the ground, and with the top crutch tip pointing towards the front right 45. From here, we move to count 1. At count 1, our flag is in front of us, our left hand is at our belly button, our right hand is right above our forehead, fully extended. Next, we will go to count 1 and. At 1 end, we will have the flag at a 45-degree angle from the center line of our body, with our left hand pushing outside of our torso and our right hand pushing outside of our left shoulder, with the flag in our toaster. We will then go to count 2. At count 2, our left hand is extended straight out from our shoulder, and our right hand is pushing the flag straight up. Next is count 2 end. At count 2 end, the flag is parallel with the ground and directly in front of our face. Then at count 3, our right hand will be directly out from our shoulder, and our left hand will be above our forehead. At count 3 end, we have another cross body angle, this time with our right hand by our left hip, and our left hand outside of our right shoulder. And then finally, we have count 4. At count 4, we return to the original right slam position. And for the left-sided carves, it's the exact same thing, just on the other side. Your left hand will be at the tab, your right hand will be at the bottom crutch tip, and you'll be in a left slam. And those are your carves. We'd recommend first going through this exercise slowly, making sure you're hitting all these checkpoints, and then slowly increasing the tempo at which you're spinning, until you are able to do the carves smoothly and maintain the correct planes. And for pull hits, we will begin with our flag straight up and down with the silk on the bottom. Our right hand will be at the tab and the left hand will be at the second tape. From here, you will think about your hands pulling apart in opposite directions, causing the flag to do a single rotation in front of you, which you will then catch straight up and down. To further practice this skill, we will augment the angles at which we do these pull hits. We will start straight up and down, and then transition to a pull hit at an angle or at slam, and then we'll also do pull hits from flat. We would first recommend doing your pull hits every 4 counts. This will help you learn to initiate this movement and stop it at the correct positions. For this, you will count off 5, 6, 7, squeeze on count 8, then initiate on 1, and hit on count 2. Then you'll hold 3, squeeze on count 4 to initiate on 5 and hit 6. Then you'll hold 7, squeeze 8. Once you're comfortable doing a slow 8 count, try and do a fast 8 count right after that. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed these tutorials, leave a like below. If you like our channel, subscribe. We'll be having more tutorial videos coming soon, including skills on saber and rifle. And if this video helped you with a skill you were struggling with, Post a video of you doing the skill to any of your social media with the hashtag tpau for a chance to be featured. And y'all have a great day and keep on performing.